Hi, I'm QueenV and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I normally share videos about beauty, fitness, practical tips, and also doing bag reviews, as well as shopping tips. Today, I'm going to share with you the little luxury shopping I made last Friday. Last Friday, I was on wellness leave because in our company, we have this called wellness leave. And I decided to do a little shopping. And the things that I bought are not by impulse. These are actually planned. These are the things that I have been wanting to buy, but I'm trying to pause because this 2026, I'm trying to save money. And normally at this time, comparing to previous years, let's say it's already March, I already bought a lot. But this year, this is the first time that I am buying these things. In fact, some of these are necessity and not luxury. So I would like to show you the things that I bought. And let's do unboxing together. Let me start strong with this YSL purchase. So let's unbox this. Definitely it's at the bag because the support is quite small. So this is it. This is the certificate of authenticity, and this is the item. This is the YSL card holder. So why did I buy this? Because my wallet is not that small. This is my current wallet. This is the Celine Triumph wallet. I bought this because when I use small bags, I am having difficulty in fitting this wallet. So I decided that I'll be needing one nice luxury card holder. So it will fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, around 6 cards here. I actually made the choice between this one or the Celine card holder. But I chose this because I find this buckle quite sensitive, because every time that I use this wallet, I need to really take good care of this so that it won't get any scratch. So I chose this. This is a low maintenance card holder, and this is a classic SKU of YSL. So this is my first purchase. Next is something not interesting but definitely an essential. And this is the Estee Lauder skincare. And let's see what I bought. So I bought this kit. I am quite loyal now with Estee Lauder because for the past more than a year, I've been using this brand. So I'm just buying a refill because I don't have stock anymore. Normally, I do some stocking of the skincare that I love. So here, I bought this day cream. They also have the night repair and the eye cream. I actually only need the day cream and the eye cream. So since it's a package, so this is cheaper. And normally, when I buy something from Estee Lauder or from any other stores, I am asking for giveaways or small items. So they gave me this. I believe these are, I don't know, this facial wash. I can't see because I'm not wearing my eyeglasses. Maybe next time if I'm going to do a vlog, I'll be wearing my eyeglasses already. Because I'm already 55 and I can't really see small fonts. Okay, so this is my third purchase, the Estee Lauder skincare. And now let's have my third purchase. Let's do unboxing, and this is the Chanel perfume. Normally when I go to a department store like Rostan's or maybe in QueenV, I always go to perfume shops. I like trying perfumes and checking if it will match my chemistry. So I normally spray on my wrist o kaya dito. So it depends. This time I chose this Chanel. I've never bought any Chanel perfume in my entire life. So this is the first time because parang before, when I smell Chanel, parang pang matanda. And I believe I'm old already, kaya gusto ko na rin siya. No, but this one is not that strong. So I chose the Chanel Gabrielle. So this one. I actually love perfume. And I normally spot if person is wearing a perfume or not. So let's say for example, I'm meeting someone, parang ang lakas ng pang-amoy ko. So alam ko kung nagpabango siya, kung hindi siya nagpapabango. So this is my third purchase. I've known this scent more than a year already, but I'm just controlling myself not to buy because I still have a lot of perfume. But this time, I specifically set a budget for this. So this is not an impulse purchase. So this is my third item that I bought last Friday. And I have one more. These are also the giveaways they gave me when I requested for some freebies. And this is the last one from Rostan's. And let's see what's inside. Dito pa yung resibo. Okay, this is the Bobbi Brown gel eyeliner. I used this many years ago, but now I decided that I wanted to use this again because I feel that my eyeliner is not that of quality. So I wanted to use this again. This is in color black. I did not buy the brush because I already have that, which I bought long time ago. I believe in Singapore airport. So this is the gel eyeliner of Bobbi Brown. The disadvantage of this is madali siyang matuyo. It easily dries out. So the sales lady taught me how to prevent that. So every time that you use it, let's say for example, it's open, you have to diba ganyan when you use it. So when it's opened, you have to like this. Balik ta rin. Okay, so this is the Bobbi Brown gel eyeliner. So those all four the items that I bought last Friday during my wellness leave. So nag-guilty ba ako? No, because I planned for all those purchases. I set aside a budget to buy all those things. So there is no guilt that I'm feeling for buying those items. By the way, if you have suggestions on what other topics or items that you would like me to share with you, please do so because I'm having difficulty really in thinking of my next vlog. So thank you for watching. Till again, this is QueenV saying be amazing in your 50s. Thanks for watching. Bye!